This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Ralph Martinez. No builder fees. No need to wait for months on a new construction home. As soon you enter, you'll know you found the one. This new 4-bedroom, 2-bath home is perfectly located in the maintenance-free community of Vista Palms. No need to worry about doing any yard work. The HOA does it for you. This one-story open floor plan features a super spacious kitchen with an island/breakfast bar, an inside utility room, a 2-car garage, and beautiful tile throughout the main living area. You'll enjoy having plenty of space for everyone. With 4 great-sized bedrooms, including a massive master suite with double sinks and a huge walk-in closet. Vista Palms has a variety of beautiful amenities. Those who enjoy living an active lifestyle will love living here. Nature trails, a swimming pool, fitness center, bocce ball, and pickleball all come together to create an ideal setting for staying active within your community. Residents will also enjoy a community clubhouse and tot lot. Centrally located just minutes to I-75, right off US 301. Eligible for USDA. Buy this home with no money down? If you're looking for a new home in South Shore, you won't want to wait to call.